safe. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow. Oh, that's a crunching shot. Oh, fetch that back. Gracious me. Slow ball again through the offside. This has got enough legs on it. It's gone for 4. Dhoni's off his feet. So another good over for India. Wicket's fallen, but 7 from it. 288 for 5. That would have been a wide as well, and he somehow gets bat on ball and gets it for 4. This will be a catch, should be a catch. Oh no, Samit Patel again. Over his shoulder. Not the easiest of catches. He dropped one earlier. Oh, he smeared this. That's a long way, and it's a long way back. Plenty of air time. 300 on the board, 301 for 6. The single brings the innings to a close, and he's been very, very effective. 50 for MS Dhoni, 50 from 26 deliveries, 5 fours, 2 sixes. Dernbach is not happy. England have got a chase on here, 304 for 6.